Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can set Chrome as your default browser or launcher when trying to launch any program in your PC. What you're supposed to do basically is just get into your search bar here. Just search for settings. When you search for settings, just get into your computer settings. So what you need to do again, just come to where we have apps. When you come to where we have apps, you're just supposed to come to where we have the default apps option. When you come to where we have the default app options, because we want to configure the browser one, what we can do basically, you scroll downward to where we have web browser. Then come here, you can see like as per now, what I'm using to browse by default launcher in my PC, it is Internet Explorer. So I need to set it back to Chrome. What I'm supposed to do basically, just click above it. No, just select reset. And then when you select reset, you'll be required to choose an app. So to choose an app, I just select Chrome. And after selecting Chrome, when I try to launch any program, it will be launching with Chrome. So what we can do, we can try and launch a program like with a program here called Acumatica and see if it will launch with Chrome. So let me see if it will launch faster so that I can show you that the default launcher now is Chrome. So when you try to launch any program or open a new program, it will not be happening in the Microsoft, what do we call it? Microsoft Edge, but it will be launching with Chrome. So that is how we set the default launcher using our PC settings and changing the default launcher from the default one, which is provided by Microsoft, which is Microsoft Edge. So it is taking a bit longer to launch the program. So I wanted to show you how the computer have changed the launcher, but to verify, you can come to the settings again and see the default launcher which have been configured. So and then come to the apps as we did, and then come to the default apps, and you can notice that the web browser default app is now Chrome, since the launcher is taking too long to launch. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to the subscribe button so that you never miss out any future content like this. Thank you.